here with Hisatsu 5 Filming, and I just want to show you a short video on how I repair and sharpen cold steel serrations. Cold steel, they are famous, depending on your opinion, for the medium scallop serrations with, I believe, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. And they can be somewhat difficult to sharpen if you don't have good equipment and you don't have knowledge and skill. I just used the medium grit. Now I'm going to use the finer grit. I'm simply just going to take this up, go at a very high angle, and just create a burr. All right. And at this point, this takes a little bit of skill, but I don't feel a burr on that side, and I do feel a burr on this side. Okay, so I want to come over here to my Spyderco sharp maker, and this is on the 40-degree edge, and wipe off that burr. And then what I'm going to do is just almost sharpen it like a plain edge. Just make it simple with these corners. I'm just going to go back and forth, back and forth. And then you can even switch to the non-corners.
This is very unorthodox for the sharp maker.
Then for the last portion, I'm just going to wipe that one side and then go over here with the corners just one last time. And you'll have to play with it to get it exactly hair popping sharp, but I'm going to give it to my brother now. Okay, and so that is, pick up that hair. All right, this towel war was really used. I'm going to get it in focus. Was heavily used. I wouldn't call it abused, but the serrations weren't sharpened. They were still very sharp, but they weren't hair popping sharp anymore. The tip was damaged, but now we have a new tip on there, and we have extra sharp hair popping serrations. And actually, it didn't take very long to sharpen them either. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We are out.